guaranteed area here, which will be fantastic to place that. And I'm sure you have a location at home which will look just as good. The purpose of the hole in which I've just dug is so that your pump will sit down at the bottom point here. Therefore the rest of it will be filled with water. About this size area will be about 25 gallons of water. You need to have at least that due to hot weather, winds, the evaporation that will happen, otherwise you'll be topping it up all the time. So 25 gallons for the size cascades we're going to do will be fine. What we're about to bring up on the screen is a list of all the other products that you need to complete this project. If you have all of those, it'll take you maybe 2 hours at the most to complete this little water feature in your backyard. What I have here is some material which protects, in case there's any sharp objects in the soil, it protects the rubber liner. You could use any type of thickish material to do that, or you could simply use some sand. The process here is to lay that over the soil area you've got, then simply lay your liner on top of that. I'm just placing these 2 accent rocks. They're really light and easy to work with, so don't be worried about putting them in the wrong place. Simply just place them there, pick up the cascade, put them on top, have a look, see if it looks any good. What we've got here is we've got the pump sitting in the bottom of the hole. We'll put some clamps on the tubing that goes in here. Tighten that up. You don't want that blowing off. Okay, what I have here is a control valve. Depending on the size of the pump, you sometimes need to turn it and turn it down. It might be too powerful, so it's not a must, but sometimes it's good to have. The tubing now runs all the way. We have to place it onto the bottom of the cascade here. We'll put this other clamp, tighten that up. These plants are great. What they're called is bulk plants, and they can sit in the wet pebbles. They're not going to go completely underwater. The water and the pebbles will just come up around the pot. They will look fantastic. If you're going to have rocks, plants just go hand in hand together with them. It's about as full as I wanted it. Sometimes what you can do is you can make this into a deep pond, or you can have it simply running into just pebbles and no water whatsoever. The main thing is that the pump is always submerged in water. These great little rocks, our dispersion rock, help disperse and make the water come out more naturally.